Hi, I'm Craig Jones with Performance DIY, formerly Epoxy Coat, and this is
Rosa Correa, hi.
And we're here to show you all of our fantastic products with over 40 years of experience in business with do-it-yourself kits. And so some of the different options you have is crafts, garages, basements, decks, wood and cement patios, commercial and industrial floor coating, driveways, countertops, concrete and asphalt patch, and paver coatings. Our products are really designed to last about 5 times longer than the normal coatings you would get in a home box store. And we really hope you would consider the easy, simple, do-it-yourself kits by Performance. If NASA trusts us, you can trust us. Thank you.